Hey guys, Electron Man. I'm going to give you a little video here, kind of give you a little background. I'm first going to show you all the damage I had, and then the second part is going to be showing what these wonderful people did. If you don't know it, there's an organization called out there, the Oklahoma Baptist Disaster Relief Organization. Wonderful group. I can't say enough nice things. They totally volunteer, no money involved. I mean, obviously they definitely need support, and I suggest all of y'all donate to this cause, because it's one wonderful cause. I was beside myself, and they came in and just resolved my issues. What a wonderful, wonderful bunch. But anyway, make sure in the link below to see this organization, and if you have a few extra dollars, make sure and contribute, because you know, in disasters like this, you know, folks like me, they need help, and they sure came through to me. Anyway, let me get this video started. It's a much better day today. God bless. 2003, we had a heck of a storm come through last night. I'm guessing over 100-mile-an-hour winds. I'm going to take you for a little tour of the damage. About 25 years. As you can see, it snapped off about mid-dill. What a mess. Here's my front yard, part of my front yard. As you can see, I got one that just almost made it in the front. Okay, here's another one in the front yard. Over here on the driveway, about half of it now. Stripped that one completely down. Look at this. Yeah, these are all trees. I come around the backside. This tree's been here for 40 years. There's nothing left of it. Look at that. Split down the middle. Here you go. This is laying on my back porch. You just dang near got the house. Bless these folks. Bless these folks. Anyway, let's start out here. This is the backyard. If you remember, there was a big tree right out there that was split in half. Guess what? It's gone. We're going to continue around. I'm just going to show you what all these trees they cut down, and what a wonderful job they did for me. Anyway, this is just kind of the start of. This is actually my mom's backyard is what this is, but we'll go around and look at her front yard, and then I'll just take you back around and we'll just show you all the wonderful work that was done. Okay guys, if you remember, this front yard was just full of down tree limbs, trees, etc. And look at it. There's the pile. That's the pile from the front yard right there. It gives you any idea. I'm gonna back out the screen here. And that just gives you an idea. That was just this front yard. Let me continue to move forward, but oh, they got it off the house. They got all of them out the front yard. Yes, I need to mow. That's my next thing. If it wasn't 100+ degrees outside right now, I would do it right now, but we're gonna wait for it to cool down just a little bit. But anyway, let me go ahead and keep moving around here and show you all this work that was done. If you remember, guys, this tree here looked like a hurricane hit it, which we had to take it down. I had to lose some trees, but that's okay. Less for next storm, right? But yeah, they actually took that down. That's actually part of that pile back there. But yeah, they took 2 trees down here, and of course they got all the limbs and everything picked up. Let me get around the back here and show you what they did back there, and we'll continue this little tour. Here's where that huge tree was that was broken half, and they got this all cleaned up with all the what's left of the poor thing. But we didn't want to. I want to take all my trees down. I already took a bunch of them down, but as you can see, the whole backyard all cleaned up, ready for me to get in there and mow it and make it look pretty again. Let's go ahead and go around the corner here. Let me show you the pile of just to give you an idea of how much tree damage I had and how much they had to collect. Look at this mound, guys. I don't know if you can get the perspective of that, but I would say it's 30 feet around and 10 feet tall. But hey, they were great. They actually even pushed, I had a little bit of there to start with. They pushed it all over and got me in a good spot where I can burn it. But fortunately, I live out in the country, so we can burn this on a nice day that we don't have any wind. It'll be amazing how fast it'll go away once I burn it. But anyway, just wanted to show you, this is just the amount of damage I had and tree-wise. Let me go ahead and keep on going around here. I don't know if you remember this poor tree, but it had, half the limbs in it were broke. They had to really top that guy. But I don't know if you remember, I had it all laying in my driveway here. They actually used a lift and went up there and cut all those trees for me. It's just amazing what all these wonderful people did. Anyway, let me go ahead and we're getting to the really bad damaged area, and I'll show you what they did back there. If you remember here, this whole area, in fact, you can tell by the dead grass since it was covered for a while, but I had a tree that was actually laying on my house right there. They cleared all that out. It's all gone. Nice and smooth, ready to go mowing again. Let's go around back where it really was bad. And here is the backyard. Yeah, I know it's not as pretty with the big shade trees I had back there, but they had to go. I mean, they looked like King Kong had stepped on them and just squashed them like potato washed. But look at it. And then they actually carved me a beautiful cross on one of the trees. Actually, when they were taking it down, it split that way, and I thought it was quite the marvel to do that. And it reminds me of who is Lord, and they definitely provided, no doubt about it. But anyway, I'll get up a little closer there. You look at that pile there. That just gives you an idea of how much tree damage I had out here. Let me get up there. I'll get up close and get you a pretty picture of that cross that they carved out for me. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just gorgeous what they did there? And we can actually use it as a seat. You could have my grandkids sit there and use that as a backrest. I think it's a wonderful tribute. And of course, there's another look at the. I still got a lot of burning to do, but a good thing about burn piles is they go down fast. I get that lit up, and I'll use my little Ford Jubilee just to push it as it burns down, and it'll be gone in half a day. Anyway, as you can see, they cleaned everything up here. I'm in so much better shape than I was. Anyway, I wanted to recognize the work they did, and I'm going to provide some links below. Make sure and donate to these people. They're fully volunteer. They didn't ask for a single dime from me, and obviously it takes a lot of resources and money and equipment to do this type of work. So, yeah, be generous and donate to this organization. They're a fine organization. Anyway, this is Electron Man. I just kind of wanted to give you a review of where I'm at today, and I'm in such a better place. Thank you all, and have a great day.